Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into a topic that has become increasingly important in our fast-paced world: sustainable consumer choices. As conscious consumers, the decisions we make every day can significantly impact the environment and society at large. In this video, we will discuss the significance of conscious consumerism, the importance of eco-labeling, and why it's crucial to support companies that prioritize sustainable practices and ethical supply chains. Conscious consumerism is all about being aware of the social, environmental, and ethical consequences of the products we buy. It involves considering the entire life cycle of a product, from its sourcing to its disposal. By making informed choices, we can support businesses that are committed to reducing their environmental footprint and promoting fair labor practices. One way to practice conscious consumerism is by examining a product's environmental impact. Look for items that are made from renewable or recycled materials, as well as those with minimal packaging. Opting for durable, long-lasting products can also reduce waste over time, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Supporting local businesses and small-scale producers is another aspect of conscious consumerism. Buying from local artisans or farmers not only reduces the carbon footprint associated with long-distance transportation but also helps sustain the local economy. Eco-labeling plays a vital role in helping consumers make sustainable choices. Labels such as organic, fair trade, or energy efficient provide valuable information about a product's eco-friendliness and ethical standards. These labels are often backed by certifications and rigorous standards, giving consumers confidence in their purchasing decisions. When we see an eco-label on a product, it means that the manufacturer has met specific environmental or ethical criteria. For example, a fair trade label on coffee ensures that the farmers received fair compensation for their labor. Similarly, an organic label on vegetables guarantees that harmful pesticides and synthetic fertilizers were not used during cultivation. However, it's essential to be cautious of greenwashing, where companies use deceptive marketing to create a false impression of sustainability. Look for recognized eco-labels from reputable organizations to ensure the legitimacy of a product's claims. Supporting companies that prioritize sustainable practices and ethical supply chains is a powerful way to drive positive change in the marketplace. Many businesses are embracing sustainability not only to appeal to conscious consumers but also because they recognize their responsibility to protect the environment and the communities they operate in. Before making a purchase, take some time to research the company's sustainability initiatives. Look for transparency in their sourcing, manufacturing, and labor practices. Companies that are truly committed to sustainability often publish annual sustainability reports, showcasing their progress and future goals. Additionally, consider supporting B corporations or benefit corporations. These are businesses that have met stringent social and environmental performance standards, indicating their dedication to creating a positive impact. In conclusion, conscious consumerism, eco-labeling, and supporting sustainable companies are crucial steps towards creating a more sustainable and ethical world. Our individual choices may seem small, but collectively, they have a tremendous impact on the planet and society. By adopting a mindful approach to consumption, we can encourage businesses to adopt more sustainable practices and influence industry practices as a whole. So, let's be conscious of what we buy, seek out eco-labels for guidance, and support companies that prioritize sustainability and ethical values. Remember, we have the power to shape a better future through the choices we make today. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and share it with others. Let's work together towards a greener and more sustainable world. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.